what you have typed as a table. So the Excel has those options. Look at what I have on my screen. I have format as table. Conditional formatting is for if you have condition statements for it to carry out. It's not. It's normally used for conditional statement. But formatting as table, you have all these styles already created. So you can pick anyone that suits you. You click under home, you see format, under styles, yes. Under home, you see, no, it's there.
Under home?
Yes, under home. You see when you have conditional formatting, format as table, cell style.
Okay, format.
You see under
Conditional formatting.
yes, under conditional formatting, you have format as table. It's there. So we are formatting as table. Let me click on it now. Once I click format, let me choose the one I prefer. Once I click on it, this is what it brings. It said my table has headers. Yes. If I don't want it to, if I say no, it will create its own headers for it. Let me choose that and see. Look at what it has done. It has created its own headers for it, making the original headers as part of the table, which is not the right thing. So I undo it. I go back and click on it again. So I say I leave it as my table has headers. It will pick the headers I've created. So name will be the headers and other. And you can see that on each of them there is an arrow pointing down. So that arrow is for filtering. It's for filtering or sorting. For example, I go to this first name now. You can see once I open it, I see to sort A to Z, to sort Z to A, that's descending or ascending and ascending, sort by color, there are colors, then filter text. All these ones you will not be able to use them because it's under what you call data analysis, and when you are creating the dash tables, we use all of these ones. Then you now see where all the names in the table are highlighted. I can, if I deselect all now, if I select all, everything will disappear. Just look at, I click OK. It will not even allow me to, because it's a table. So
how did we get to
Formatting table.
I click on this. Yes.
Okay,
Yes. I click on this. I click on.
That
You have to format.
I already select.
Yes.
What,
I've commanded it to table.
what is showing me?
No, you are choosing. That's the wrong one. You are choosing.
Formatting table.
Choose. Yes, that's the one you choose.
Where I cannot choose anyone.
Yeah, choose anyone. Choose anyone. Yes.
This is data for your table.
Yes.
My table has headers.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. There's something I want you to notice.
Hello.
There's something I want to notice on the screen.
Follow.
You see, if you see as I selected this screen, you see it. Let me do it also. Okay. Same thing. Whenever you select something, whether like this, or like this, what you are doing, you are selecting a range of cells. So those range of cells, you can give a range of cells name. Yeah, you can give it a name. Anytime your cursor enter that place, it will show the name. Like this one now, when we created this table, it has given it a name. It is a range, but also a table. So if you look at this place now, look at this place. When I click inside it, it will give the name. It's supposed to show the name on the table. It's supposed to show the table name. Let me see. Table. So in this range now, let me use a range. Look at this range now. This range, I can give it a name and say area F. Say area area F. I call it. So if I select it again, it's area F I'll be seeing. Because that range now has been known as area F in that cell. The same thing, there's supposed to be a table name. Name is, the reason is to know, is to just for identification of areas. Because cells and Excel sheets can be named, these different data can be named.
Okay.
Yes, because
Inside
the sheet, so that you will not, if you have so many things in the Excel sheet, and you move to an, you now know which area am I in, you know, so that it's purpose of be able to locate any area you are going to.
Or to find the area you.
For example, now look, I'm not in area F now, but if I come here and type area F, it will go there.
Okay.
So it's a way of locating areas. You have a mark areas in your
Let's
sheet.
go back to how do we now select area?
So
You want to name and name area.
okay,
So
okay.
like this
What I do,
table
okay,
that we created.
this table now, normally, once you have created a table, it should be able to give you, it should be able to give you the name of the table. The table is supposed to appear, and the name of the table will be there. I don't know why it's not showing. But if I go there,
When you say you have a name for it.
yes, every
At the
table.
beginning you say you have a name.
Yes.
So that's why it's not giving you another
Yes.
name.
Once you create a table, to give it a name. Let me see.
Initially when you said for table,
It's already formatted as a table. What I'm trying to, because normally it will create, you see the name of the table. I don't know why it's not showing it. It was showing it before. Maybe I must have clicked on something. So when it's showing, not showing
Mine
it.
is not full.
Look at it showing. Look at table name. Okay. Let me see. It should be under table design. Let me see. You are inside the table. You need to see table design. Okay, yeah, table design. Okay, good. Look at it. Under table design, you see the name of the table. You say table 2.
Now when you say table 3.
So that means so normally we will not know what is table 3. You can rename it. You can rename it as can say salary table. Salary. Make sure there is no space. There should not be space. Once you are inside, once you are inside a cell, look for the menu, table design. Table design.
So after highlighting,
Yes.
table design.
Table design must show. Because table design must show. Under table design, you tell you.
Okay, I've seen it now.
Okay, so once you cannot change the name. Just type any name inside it.
Okay.
So it's a way of recognizing. If you have so many tables in this,
Okay, we can rename it.
yes, you can rename it.
Table design.
Yes.
No. This is table design. So it's telling you didn't give me table 2. So that table 2 can be changed.
Yes, that's the name you give it.
Okay, what do we now give it?
Give it a name, but that name should have no space. No space.
No
One
space.
word, yes.
Okay.
One word. If you are going to leave space, the space you leave maybe is an underscore or underscore, but not, there should not be space because it's taken as one single individual. Able to do it?
Okay, we're giving it name.
Yeah. So, yeah, exactly. Or you can name it.
Me, I changed it to
Okay, sales table 1. So that is how you format
So
and
if
you
I'm looking
name
for, if I'm anywhere and I just type
table 1. You're looking for table 1. That's the table. Yeah. Any question before we end the session? Any question?
When you're naming it.
No space. Please, no space. No space, please.
So tiny girl now.
So it's a way of identifying your tables because when you are working data analysis, you'll be seeing different tables. So there can be confusion where this thing on is coming from. So that is one of the ways of trying to keep.
Mr. Bassi,
Mr. Bass, any question?
I think, because when we are asked to prepare report for meeting, we collect money in by say progressive club.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Can I tell you that to?
You never cook before.
Sorry.
Okay.
I hope you have been saving your work. You save.
Don't save
Me, I don't save. Oh.
It's our auto
Save.
saving.
But I will still go and look
Your
at
auto
it again.
saving.
Okay.
No, that's fine. You have to be on our iCloud. Abi?
For the autosave. Autosave, if you are not on the cloud, it will be storing on your system.
It's not taking it. Before it was taking it. But now, to tell you stories.
So, so we have learnt about relative, absolute self-referencing, how they are using formulas, how they then we have created a table to use formulas. It's off. It's off. It's offline. It's offline. It's not. It's in me. I think the rain makes the
network.
The rain made this thing to be off. So we have done how to enter data. Nobody can say they don't know how to enter data in Excel now. You know the different type of data we have. How to enter formulas, because formula is what makes Excel to be very unique.
And that is what we use.
Yes. So there's some formulas you must cram in your head. You must know it when you are using. But Excel makes it easy now. That even when you are typing, it's showing you the steps. So that as you are typing, you will not make any mistake. And if you make mistake, it will highlight it for you. And it can even help you to correct it if you know you are almost there. But if anyone that doesn't understand, it will highlight it to don't understand. So now we will just take a recess of about 10 minutes, and we can complete what we have for today. We have merging cells, text alignment, border shading, formatting. We have done formatting, currency formatting. So we are going to do all those ones
Sorry,
before.
did you record it?
Yes, we are recording it.
What are we doing now? Formatting?
Yes, formatting. Any question before we start? Mr. Austin.
I think it says whether you want to take a break.
That's what I'm saying. If we can take 10 minutes break. Yeah, after well, you have any question now? Okay. So you're on break of 10 minutes. We'll come back. We'll finish what you have for today. We only have very small to do today.
This one will be small.
Yeah?
This formula.
It's good though. It's
I
very
know that
interesting.
formula, but this one is another new area.
It's very interesting. It's very interesting. And you can see what I've taught you now. Those who don't have the latest Microsoft Excel, this if can do it. But the one that maybe when we are doing the next one, the one that we did, there we put in one if inside if. We don't need to do it if we have they call it ifs. Ifs we just do all the condition you want. You can do all in one go.
That's for those who have it.
Yes, for those who don't have it, it will not work. You tell you it doesn't understand it. So 10 minutes recess. As you are doing recess, if you have any question, and the only one that has not come to you. You should get it. It's looking like magic. What's the issue?
No, she has gotten it, but she's doing it one by one.
Okay.
She's now
Okay.
like getting stuff.
The formulas are straightforward, and the Excel is self-explanatory.
All these things we have been ready.
Like for instance, if the student is around, right? Maybe while we are having our training.
Okay, let her go and get. Maybe you have the list. You have the list. There's the list and it's provided for her.
That's why it's going for income.
That's right.
Okay, it's 9. Yeah, it's 9. It's not here. So that's why people say they should keep. Yes. Sausage roll. No, sausage roll. Chicken pie.
I'm not chicken pie, the thing don't carry anybody.
No, just let's go through because you are not used to it. How many of us? We are 8.
Nine.
So we are not 9 now. We are 8 now today.
Yesterday, they were because of Tony. Tony is not here.
So we are 8.
No, your boy, your dad, and you Monday.
So we are 8. So that day we born 9. Okay, so we are 9.
Is there around?
You want to add your own money?
When you cook,
You want them to put your money
money
by your own.
You go do what
So
you
you
want
know
to do.
I said you are buying water.
You said you are buying food.
You can buy
You can buy for the young.
You can buy food. If the money don't be for even you go buy better food.
This woman's food. Not the place, so this woman's food.
Okay, what do you want? What do you want?
No, which money go carry over?
Eh, just money go carry, you carry. Is that what it is?
You want to go there?
Want to go?
Is it same thing? Meat pie, chicken pie.
Meat pie is okay now.
Yeah, I'm not saying this.
We all put my mouth.
Sometimes you big bag meat pie.
What's true?
It's not bigger, but with 2 pieces at together.
Sorry.
I mean, just carry me.
700.
Carry me.
Okay. You said you want to say
Buy good head for that.
Fast fast,
so that's nice.
time no.
And then you know how much go, you know,
700.
so that you go find the place.
Say one go back.
Because if this will go buy, what I do then, I say,
to buy now. I don't know. Already.
you now go to one kiosk there, I say, they say we don't have. If you need an arrangement, it's small. No, since we said this, around when we are starting, you have done. After 10 minutes, we will continue. Okay.
Yes. Okay, yes.
So that when it's time, this is already cooked. So before he comes out, we cover to Rajo.
Yeah.
I don't even know whether it's so in itself.
was like, I was wondering if everything's okay. Ma? Yes, ma.
Anything, Gareth.
Ma? Ma? Okay. Thank you, ma.
How don't you understand?
No, I'll just do practice.
Okay.
It's hunger that is doing this. Seriously.
Chronicles.
What is the name?
Oh, is this an assignment or
Assignment.
practice?
Which one? Oh, another one.
Yeah.
Ah, it's plenty. No, it's not going to be right.
It's not plenty. It's not plenty.
Okay. Come here.
That's my passport change.
It's assignment. It's assignment.
It's what you people doing.
Create a personal multi-model tracker. Yes, I know it's better for physical. This one. Let's
Talking talk is crazy. It's crazy today.
No, I don't understand.
There's the American.
Who is medical? Okay. Yeah, the one was not it. I don't know what's supposed to be done. Maybe they forgot.
God knows I need money.
Oh, that was nonsense.
I will eat. Thank God it's okay. Thank God it's okay. Sorry, so don't bring me.
Ah,
I do my time down. I'll do later, later. Sorry, let me not buy a time, please. Sorry.
create a personal monthly income, years, period, transport utilities, miscellaneous expenses, apply, currencies, any symbols, hedges, company, sellers, borders, monthly sugar, we've not done traditional figures.
We are going to do it.
Okay.
We are going to do it now. It's
Now,
practical
only something
exercise.
I do now.
Practical exercise.
Okay, before we do that assignment, so it will embody all the things that we just.
Mm.
Okay, that's good.
What is the borders?
All those
What
star
is-
lines now, all those lines. And that the thickness it equals to the what we used to represent as equals to now.
Okay, not the border.
Borders. No, borders are these ones.
So those are down to do the line.
Those are just the outer line.
Right,
The outer
border,
line, yeah.
left.
Yeah. That's the border.
Okay.
So what are you getting it?
Okay, so I'm going to take just wait. Okay, fine. Thank you. Are you charging the this thing? So you want to charge it? Yes, I'm charging your phone. No, it's not right. I'm charging it. Okay.
It's a progressive club.
Are you back? Or you're not the one that...
No, we'll be doing the training.
Okay.
Well, so that
So we can continue there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Austin, start to...
So hopefully we will not waste too much time on this one. Because this one is straight ahead to practical.
Are we to write this one out?
No, it's
It's in the thing like the shelf.
I'm going to put it in the group. I'm going to put it in the group. So we just have from number 1 to 6, which I'm going to show you now before we give the assignment, the practical assignment. Let's go back to Excel sheet. I'm sure we all know how to copy, paste, cut in Excel.
You know.
Yes, he knows.
That's what that means.
Yes, I do.
Okay. So not all of us know. So I want to copy this table to another place or to another sheet. But first, let me create another sheet. When you want to create another sheet, you come to this place. To the bottom, you see a plus. Once you plus, you see new sheets telling you that it's new sheets about to be created. New sheet. So you click on it, you create another sheet. So I can either copy it or even copy the entire sheet into another sheet. But I only want that place.
Phone has finished.
Oh, well, finish.
Was
I
it
stopped his
Nepal?
phone. Put his phone. Something wrong.
Okay, it's gone. Is it Nepal?
Ah, it's shaking.
Something.
Okay, maybe the power.
Why do I need my folder to remove the false and say maybe good job or something? Click on it. Wait. First one.
Maybe the wires
So
are
we get to that place,
Then go to formula bar.
with this place. Okay, who am I to tell it?
Then
From
inside the
table
brackets.
it came up.
Yes, facing yourself. This can easily put enter the processor. So you want it inside the food apostrophe.
And now the person has
Then
been
you pass it. I don't want to delete the
put a shade over that.
comma. That's double done.
It's not too expensive, sir.
They're expensive for everything.
It's because of the material.
And it's material that is
Yeah,
expensive.
the material.
Material is expensive.
Yes.
6,500 per yard. But I have 5,005.
Okay, how many years did you get?
14.
15.
so it's-
14.
14 yards.
They saw it's that big. Yes,
The
they will say
same
it.
day.
I thought they already have something.
No, those guys are there. When you
Yeah,
take it to where they are selling it, they will buy cut and they say they are sold.
Okay.
It's sold in that day, and all these accessories. Everything is 100 and
Now come on. Who come?
Basi and all that fix it this month.
They name it on the wall. Or it is good.
They have the hanger.
Okay.
They name the hanger on the wall.
The level, sorry.
The thing fall out.
Why?
You know, no food.
They fall.
Hey, so far did not come out.
No,
The wire.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
So we want to copy this to another sheet now. We'll copy, we will select everything. Select everything, copy. Either your copy, either you right click on the and copy, or use the shortcut for copy, Ctrl C for copy. So when I copy, I'm now moved to the next sheet. The next sheet, I can just immediately just use the shortcut of Ctrl V, but I don't want to, because I want to show you something. When you go to the place you want to insert, the cell you are inserting to, you right click. When you right click, you just look at, when you right click, you have the paste options. These paste options,
Yeah.
you need to pay attention to them because they are very useful in different ways.
Yeah.
The first one, it says paste. This is normal paste. This one will paste this thing as it is in that place to this place. That's the first option. The second one, it will paste it at values. Now, what does it mean by values? What it simply means is it picks the value of that one and brings it here. Removes the formatting, removes the formula. With the first one, this first one will copy it as if with the formulas and everything. But this one will only copy the values. There was no formula. This is one way of, we don't want to copy formulas of it. So we also want to pick the values. This is what it does. Then this one we pick the formulas. It will pick the formulas and leave the other things there. Then this one is just the formatting it will copy. You can see there's no text, nothing, only the formatting. Then this is also has special or other options. Either you pick special, or if you add that special, you have other options. This one is it will pick it with no borders. Then this one we copy it and the source, the way it is in the original way. It is way it is. It will keep the source and everything. No, it will keep the source as it is. The size as it is, no changing. Then this one, as I said, values. Yes. Let's start again. Okay. This one, the values. This one, it will values and format the format of the numbers. Then this one will keep the source just as the first normal pick. Yes. Then this one, this particular one, this one is only the formatting. Then this one we enable you to paste it as a picture. A picture you cannot be amended. Yes. Normally we use this if you don't want somebody to tamper with your work. You just paste it as a picture. They will think it's Excel. It's no longer Excel. It's Word. But you can always call it up if the original text is with the original file is with it. If you want to edit it, to open the original one. Yes. It will edit it. It will open the original thing. Then this particular one, paste special, has some special way of pasting, which is the first one is all. This first one, another one is paste only formulas. This one values, format, comments and notes. If there are comments and notes with it, to paste it. This one will paste it and ask for validation. Validation may be for you to confirm one or two things about the paste where you are bringing it from. Then this one, paste all using source theme. Paste all except borders. All these ones we already made them. Then there's this one here. This one are normally this one we skip the blanks. If they have blanks, we skip it. This one transpose. This one we transpose. If what you copy is horizontal, it will give the option to paste it as vertical. So normally we use it to transpose text. And this one will paste as link. It will paste the same thing, but it is linked to the previous. Yes, anything you do in the original will affect it. Normally we use this for if you want to paste to continue as this other one. So those are the options of pasting. So let us paste normally. You can see it will paste what is in the other one. The normal pasting. Once you click on normal paste, this is what it will give you when you copy. But it copies the formula. If you use normal paste to copy the word, it will copy exactly as it is. The only thing is that it will not take the side except to use the one that pastes it from source. If it's from source, let's say like this one, which is from source. this one, keep source formatting. Keep source formatting. What this one is doing is all the formulas are referring to the other sheet, and it will be wrong because they are not in the same positions. But if you want
advice to copy and paste.
Yes, well, the best thing is normally if you want to paste something and leave the original, you can copy a sheet. You can copy it, you just come here and copy.
Bob. It's Bob like Bob.
Okay, maybe it's Jenny.
It's Bob.
So if you want to copy a sheet, you just select the sheet and click create a copy. You create a copy. Once you create a copy, what you see is that you have created another one with the same name. You see two. Yes, you see two in it. This is the original one. This is the new one. And you can move it to wherever you want to move it. So it goes back to the back.
So you want to copy and
you want to
go to the...
Yes, you want to copy the whole sheet and leave it.
The sheet name.
Yes.
You can,
yes, where I click, you click move or copy. You move or copy. Then you make sure you select the correct one.
The name.
Yes, you correct the name here. Then you click on create. Now, yes, you can go there. You can copy into that same sheet or copy into another book. If you have another book open, you can select it or open in another.
Okay, you go here and let's say another new book.
Another new book. Is to create or open a new book and copy. Let's do it now. Because the new book has been created. Book 1 is there.
Okay.
And it has brought it there.
Yes. And that's not named.
Yes. And if you want to remove it automatically from the old one, you won't say copy, you use move. Yes, you will not click copy to move it to another place. That's one way of moving to another sheet. If you want to still leave a copy, you use copy to move it to another sheet. So anything we do will not affect that one. Then the same thing too. If you will not select. For example, let's do it now. In this one now.
Right click.
Yes, I right click and select move. Look at it, move or copy. So move or copy. So if you are moving or copy, make sure you don't select create a copy.
Okay.
You won't select this. So we now create this now and say move. Okay, you say it needs to do at least visible.
Okay.
So something is wrong with it. Again, it's touching.
I don't think it was ever behaved like this before.
It's touching. So that is how we move or copy a sheet.
All this ones are still working. Is there light?
There's light. Maybe some. There's light. The thing is shaking.
The projector is powerful than the different thing.
No. I've been using something or maybe too much with the what?
So to everybody connecting one thing.
So I think everybody knows how to format a table.
Right.
Yeah, okay. But the next
Conditional statement.
Yeah, conditional.
That you still need to open my brain.
Yeah.
Because
Just as it is conditional, there are many options there. The ones that you see are the ones that have been, the ones that is set by Microsoft. You can create. You have the opportunity to create for yourself. If you look at it, the first one, the conditional format, you see align cell rows greater than, less than, being between, equal to another. You have to select one.
Where did you see that?
As you click on select conditional formatting.
Conditional formatting, okay.
Yes, the first thing there's highlight cells rules. So in that, he's looking at the, he's going to look at the rules that what is in the cell, and we have first greater than dash dash dash. What is greater than? He has to compare something. He has to compare something. You have lesser than dash dash dash. By the time you click on it, it will ask you for something. To ask you for what values are you, or which cells are you referencing? Because it's giving you what you need to do, but it has to. There's something it has to work with. Because without those things, it cannot carry out that conditional formatting.
Okay.
Yes. So.
I think the generator is not happy that we're going to.
So while we are waiting, sure we know how to adjust rows and columns. How to adjust. So we treated that the first time.
Some of us knows.
Okay.
We that we are here, we knows.
Okay.
The St. Austin.
So Austin, you know how to adjust rows.
Adjust
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
For example, look at
Expanding.
expand,
I think I
reduce.
I
I
think
know
the
that
other
one.
is
Okay. Same thing with rows.
same thing with columns.
It's a mess.
Okay.
But maybe the exam now has, our teacher has
The new method.
a faster method than the slow method that we
Yes,
know.
this is it now. Just double click on the border, and it will, for example, now if this is
And
like
it will
this.
take everything.
Yes, it will automatically go and pick where it ends to automatically adjust it. Look at it.
You double click on the border.
Yeah, double click on the border.
But this one that you have selected.
Okay, let me remove the selection. Let me remove selection. Let's say it is like this. Everything is confusing.
And they want it to be
Yes,
easy.
just double click here, open it to expand it. Double click.
Okay.
The same thing if you are working with if you have scattered rows
Okay,
like that,
okay.
just double click. It will
Okay, to be
yes.
even.
Then you can manually do it. For example, I want everything to be even. I right click and come to column width. And put a number.
Okay. Same thing with the for rows.
Same thing for rows to raise to have its own. So it's column width. Let's see.
So that
Double click is a faster one. In case you have in
In
case you have the reason why the reason why is because you may have long lengthy this thing. No, you are dragging it manually. So you will be looking at the one that is showing on the screen, but you not know this one, the one that is off screen, that is more longer. So when you double click, no matter where that thing is, to pick the length. That's why that double clicking. Just double click the the border, it will pick it. Double click. It will. It will. Anyone that you see that is not well aligned or is not it's short like this one now, I just double click here it will pick the longest. You use the longest size to measure it.
Okay.
Yes.
But you want to do it for all.
For all, that means to do it for all, we have to select. Yes, and it will just adjust it towards yes.
All of that.
You have to alight and adjust. You pick it and adjust to as they are.
You won't double click with that.
You don't need to type singlies on one single. Just align the whole thing and double click. It will fit. It will fit in. So that is that. Then we talk about borders. What are borders? Borders. Look at this now. This thing. What I've highlighted now. There's a top border. There's all these ones left and right, bottom and top borders. These are borders.
Okay.
They are borders, and they are called outer borders. You use it to, because when you print, you want to see the screen is enable us to see this thing, but on paper you don't see it like this, except to configure some things. So if you want to create a border for your table, you can. Although this formatting has already done it, let me clear the format. Then we'll clear format. My screen is so small. I want to clear I can't see my clear format. There's a way of clearing format. I can't see my screen now. Okay, clear format.
Clear rules.
No, clear rules is something else.
Okay.
It's rules to making creating tables. Okay, to have an option to clear everything. Oh no. Let me see. Let me do something else. Okay, let's see this now. Okay. Look at something like this now. What I did was to copy it to another place. So let's say this. We want to give this a border now. Create a border. We are not using the automatic set by the one by yes. We want to do our own. Yes, we want to do our own. What you simply do, you come to format, cell format. Okay, there should be something like a table design.
You know, I like to.
I'm trying to.
Don't feel it like that.
They're not elected the
Okay.
section one.
Let me click. Okay.
You want to put the border?
Yes. Is this still a table? No, it's not.
We want to create our own, like,
Yes, other
Yes.
fonts.
Okay, yes, this is it. So under font, you can see it. Under font, you see this border, they call it borders. So when you click open it, you see all the various types you can do. If you want to do the outside border, as this is for outside border, this outside. When you click on it, look at what you see. You can see there is line outside. See, all these things we do manually. They've already given us options on how to do them. Then these are all borders. All borders we include. Let me remove the outer border. I click no border. I click no border, it has removed it. I want to do the inside border only. Inside border. Inside border. Tick outside. Inside border, you have to choose. You have to go to the more borders. So under the more borders, look at the option. See, it starts inside. Look at it. And click on it, only the inside. The outside do not have borders. This is one way of doing this kind of border listings. So then you know this one too. All borders, everything. And if you want the outside to be thicker, you select thick outside border. Look at it. It's not a table. It's not looking like a table. It's not a table. So
outside border.
Yes, outside border thick. Yes, you make the outside line thicker than the inside one.
Okay.
Then, if you want just want to see only grid lines. There's the grid lines. That's grid lines. Border grid lines. Let me go to this one. Grid lines. Now, we'll show outline. We want to show grid lines. Come to front. Come to more borders. It's under. So look at this one, grid lines. Oh, sorry, not grid. This is not grid line. This is grid layout. The view I'm actually looking for is one that you can see the grid line, but you not see the border. Let me see view. Insert table. Okay, insert table. View. Big layout. Big layout.
Big lines. You want to see whether, okay.
That big layout,
Not on that view.
oh,
No, that is view. That is view.
Big lines, okay. And you can, when you click on print,
It's under page layout, so we go to grid lines, then we just
and then you click on view and print.
under page layout.
page layout.
Okay.
Line.
Okay. Something else I have in mind. It's for that one that shows when you are printing. It's not for normal. This is when you want to print. You can see grid lines and not borders. So now let's look at the fonts that we have. The fonts that we have. Let me copy this here. copy this. Okay. So you have the fonts. Mr. Austin,
Yes.
do you know how to use bold? Bold,
To make it black.
yes, to make it thicker.
I think.
Okay. So when you select the headings, look at the headings.
Yes.
You bolden it. You can see it's much darker than and thicker than the rest of the text.
Yes.
That's bolding. Then you can centralize the text. That in Excel you can centralize vertically or horizontally. As you can align your text horizontally or vertically. In Excel we have top, middle, bottom. We have left, center, and right. So normally we use by default text come left aligned. They come by default left aligned. They can also come to top. We can make them to come down to bottom or center or top.
Centralized.
For example, I expand this text now. As you can see, this one is at the top. If I want to make it middle, I just come here. Look at that. That's middle here. If I want to make it bottom, but it's already centralized. If I want to make it left, right, middle, and top, and centralized. So that's how you centralize, you align your text. Now for formatting of text or figures, I think we treated that earlier, but you can still look at it again. Numbers, for you to, if you leave your numbers like this in accounting, you can easily miss the number of zeros because too many zeros, you don't know whether it's in 100, whether it's in thousands or millions. So you need to format it in such a way that you can be able to read it. So normally for numbers, you just click on the comma sign, and immediately it will turn them to it will format them to have comma decimal points. Yes, and in some cases, some people prefer to have even 3 decimals. Or in this, we are using English. In America, their commas probably is at the top, not at the bottom. Then we want to make it currency. You can choose currency, and when you choose currency, look at go to currency. It will put dollar sign. You can change this dollar to be naira. You can always change it in the custom. When you go to custom, where is it now? Open. When you expand it, you go to currency. Look for the symbol. When you go to currency, look for the symbol. In the symbol, look for naira. See that Nigerian naira again. That's Nigeria.
Don't pass it.
Nigeria.
From the end.
If it's not there, I'm going to sue Microsoft. Naira should be there. See. They put Yoruba, Igbo. Look at what they put. It's there. What they've just put is see. They just put all of the languages. So which one should I choose now?
There's no video there.
You see, they are already divided us. So
Can you imagine? The baby is
so we are in Yoruba land. Let's speak Yoruba. So
Thank God this one was just naira.
so now, so I'll copy the format. I'll copy the format because it's not, we are not copying formula, we are copying format. So I select the one that I've changed. I come to copy format. Copy format will copy the bold, italics, even the currency format into the other ones. You can see it has copied it automatically. So sometimes you may not know what this is for. Format painter. Format painter will look at what it does. It will copy the style, whether it is bold, italics, underline, the currency type. It will copy it and you can paste it on other things you are doing.
How man naira that bad?
Yes. You see, the one is general. Okay, there's naira there. So this one, under account, there's also another format called accounting.
Yes.
So that accounting, you see the difference between currency and accounting. Okay, this is accounting. Let me see. Accounting. You can see it puts the dollar or the symbol, align it to the left while leaving space. See? That's what it is. And you're always using accounting. Look at it. It's accounting that the style is using. So depending on your preference, you can use them.
Under custom.
Yes, under custom. You can use custom or when you choose the time, you see yes. Yes, you can. Yes, you can even choose accounting and still use the naira symbol.
So in our all, we used to put the naira sign at the top.
At the top.
Everything.
Okay. Yes. If you want
Why
to.
is it the currency? Why is it creating space between naira sign and the figure?
You can select you want to be.
In the accounting, that's the format in accounting, according to yes, currency will close it up. Close it up in the sense that for security reasons. Security reasons, yes. You can put a figure. Nobody can put a figure. That's the purpose of that currency, to close it. But accounting, it opens it. It opens it so that everything will align. Then under formatting too, under formatting, you can format something as percentage or as ordinary number. If we change this now to percentage, let's see what it will do. Come here, either you use this one that is showing here, this one, or you go look for it here. It's still the same thing. Percentage. Look at what it did. It has changed it to percent, 2,000, 20,000%. Let's remove the extra space. So you can have something like this, but in normal sense, the percentage will not be like this in normal reality. So you see something like this, you know that they have used the wrong formula for it. So we bring it back to what it should be. So that is that for formatting. Now for conditional formatting, conditions has to be available for us to format. For example, this basic, now we have all these values. Let's go to conditional. We'll select it and look for the formatting we want. This one says alight cell rules greater than what? Okay, greater than what? Let's look at it. We click. See, look at what it's saying. Look at what it's saying. As I selected it now, automatically it has given me a condition to fulfill. Does it always overdo itself? It's already suggesting to me what I want to do. He said, format cells that are greater than $60,000. And what do you format them with? With light red fill, with dark red text. That's what it's going to do. Anything above 60,000. You can see from all of this one now. Only 100,000. Yes, 100,000. If I come here and say I change it now, say no, I don't want 60,000. Let's say 40,000. Anything 40,000. Look at both 50 and 100 are selected. That's what conditional formatting. Conditional formatting will want to highlight things that meet that condition. If I say I don't want to use greater than sign, let's look for something else. Format less than. Okay, let's look for something else. You see, it has already selected another one again. Anything less than 60,000, give them that color. So if I say, okay, this 60, I can now adjust it the way I want. Anything below 30, anything below 30. I say below 50. Anything less than 50. Look at it. So that's what conditional formatting. There must be a condition that you need to fulfill for it to take effect. And it's doing the right thing. It's choosing red, light red as the background and dark red as the text.
But where would we pick that format cell?
Okay, let's go back. This is conditional formatting. Once you select it. This is for cell rules.
Before you get to this page, is it under home?
It's under home. Everything's under home, yes. Home contains most of the things we use.
Select what we want to.
Yes.
Home, then we now
Home.
say
Conditional formatting. Look for conditional formatting. It should be after.
That's what format page.
It should be after number. After you have that currency area, you see
Currency.
under currency.
After number.
Yeah, after number, you see conditional formatting.
Come again.
After
custom.
After number, you see conditional formatting. You see that red in a red thing, conditional.
No, that's it, sir.
This one, look at it.
Okay.
That's it. You have to close what you do. So once you click on it, you see all the defaults. Yes, I like top rules and all that. Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
So now.
Yeah. If you are dealing with text, all this, the first one, greater than, less than, between, equal to, they are dealing with numbers.
Okay.
Then these other ones, the next one is dealing with text. You say a text containing so and so. Let's look for this one now. This one. So I select, you want to use that text one. Text containing what? You see, it has picked one already for me.
Okay.
So I can, if it's not the one I want, I can change it. So anywhere I say pay cash, it aligns it to red. Let's just watch that. I've selected the area I want to work on. I go to conditional formatting, cell rules. I come down to text that contains. This is text that contains. Once you click on it, it will pick by itself what you want. So you can now type the words that one you want. Yes. This is for easy reference or easy for you to be able to view this thing. Or you want to pick anyone. You are picking numbers now. There's no numbers there. Pick one that has text. It can't compare numbers and text. You say pick text. Look at, you have names there, you have the gender, you have the remarks. Anyone. You have to highlight everything. You have to highlight first. If you don't highlight it first, you do not. Yes. Okay, look at it. Highlight it first. See. Highlight. Want to highlight everything. Go to conditional formatting. Highlight cell rules. Look for text that contains. Once you click on it, it will pick it for you. It will pick one for you and do the command. So if you are okay with it, you say okay. If you are not okay with maybe something else, say it's not picking. Are you sure you are picking the right thing?
Did you go to the right place?
Don't use names. Use either the gender, because it has
use
like
something that contains text. Okay.
That's a
Okay. Conditional formatting. Okay. Text that contains that. Oh, you know, okay, don't type the rest.
Type what you want to highlight.
Maybe they are not the same. Look at it. As you are typing, it's speaking. Your own does not pick up
You have to type it for it to pick.
Okay, if your own is not, just type inside. Type what you want. So far as it's happening to pick it up, it will pick it.
Except it's not there.
Yes. So if what is picking is not what you want, type it in. type what you want it to pick. So my own now, I'm saying you should pick, see the cashier. You can see it has picked only that one. Every other thing is left. That is what conditional formatting of that aspect do. The one that contains text, use that one. The one that contains this. Now let's see another option we can look at. Top bottom rows. This top bottom, can see we only have top 10, top 5. We can even since there are 10, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can change it. Let me look at this one. Let me see if it will work. I can adjust it to, instead of 10, adjust it to 5. Let's see. Select conditional formatting, top 10. Okay. I say top 3. Look at it. I change the number instead of 10. Say top 3. No, 5 is the whole thing. But normally it says top 10. So that top 10, we don't have up to 10 items there. I only have 5. So it will pick everything. You see? Since I have 5, I start asking top 10. So I need to reduce it so that I can fit into my what I have. So I say top 3.
Okay.
Look at the top 3 money there. You see? If I say top 2, say top 1. So that's what conditional formatting will do. By itself, it will determine which is the highest thing there and pick them according to what you want. So, okay, have you highlighted it? Okay, go to conditional formatting, select top bottom rows, then top 10 items. Rows, yes. Top 10 items, select it. So if it's showing 10, reduce it to the what you want. Reduce it because I only have 5, so you can see. So all the values there are the top 2 are what we have on the it's showing. So that's what top conditional formatting does. Then this one that you see, top data bar listing. Let's try it. Gradient fill. You can see as I've even moved my mouse on it, it's already showing me what it's going to do. You know, what it's doing is giving you a graph of the amount of the values. Now you can see the one that is full 100 has colors complete. The one that is 20 lesser, 50 is halfway, 30 is just like as if you are plotting a graph. You are plotting a graph on the numbers. See, anyone I choose, gradient fill. You can see. If it's solid, if you want it to be solid, you can see. Those first ones are gradient. Sometimes when you see this thing, see this person is using magic. It's not magic. Everything has been done by Microsoft. So then the other one, color scale. So color scale is also dissimilar to grade fill, the data bar. What it does is it gives different colors to the different amounts. The ones that are 20 are in color close to pink. The one that is 50 is light lemon color. The one that is 30 is yellow. Then green is 100. That's what the color scheme system does. If you use the same color, it's given different shades of color. You see? So all these things are not that difficult. Then when you go to icons, this is interesting. It picks, look at what it does. When I select it, it shows you, for example, we are looking at, you want to look at what it's showing. I only selected arrows. What arrow is showing? Green, the one that is 100%. Because it's not showing it, but because my cell is small, let me increase the cell size let me increase the cell size. So you can see what it does. You can see the icon set. Look at it. Can you see? What is showing now 100 is up, is pointing up. 100 is at the top. Then 20 is going down. 30 is going down. 50 is in the middle. What's simply telling you is like showing you instantly where there is gain and when there is loss. You normally use this in stock trading. You know, stock, they will be showing the stock that have gone up, the one that is coming down, and the one that remains the same way. That's what those things, the symbols are for. You can see, even this one, too, same thing. You should understand this one more than just like an Igbo man. If you use money to do 1 plus 1, you understand it better than. So the same thing with these values too. So all these things are just representation to help you understand. Look at all these are symbols. Look at these other ones too.
You can open it. So you can off this one. Because this directly.
So all these things are just like what to do in data analysis is to help you to understand a value instead of you understanding the figures. The figures are translated into language you can understand. So then this one, new rules help you to determine your own. If all those things that are given are not, you don't like them, you can use new rules to create your own. If you don't like what Microsoft is giving, you want to create your own, you can use them to do. And this is very, very, it's very easy, but if you don't understand it, it will be confusing. So like the first one now, select the type of role you want. If you say format all cells based on their values, okay, and you are using two color scale. What is the lowest value, minimum, lowest value to highest value. The lowest will have this color, the highest will have this color. So it will be like this. You go from darker shade to lighter shade. So if I click on it now, look at what happens. But this one is already in the set one. It's only showing us how they got it. You see? So if you go, so those rules now, those new rules you can create as many as you want. Look at cell contain this one cell value between, you can put the amount. This is the amount, let's say it contains between 40,000 and 60,000. And I say, what kind of format do I want? I say format. It's a field. I say okay. Look at what has happened. Do you see that? You didn't notice any change. What I told you is that the cell that has between 40 and 60 is 50,000. Only 50,000 qualify and make it green. And the reason why the other ones have colors is because we have applied one rule before. That rule is still functional before we apply another one. So you can apply several rules on one cell. Several rules on one cell.
Everybody say mine.
So, you know people they queue.
No, it's not on queue. Once you get there, the person that will attend to you for snack is
So
this man and their customer.
So next time you will send out before we start.
It's like who will go because he will not be around.
So finally,
On Tuesday, that is around 9 or 10.
Buy before we start.
so finally, well, how to merge cells. Now, this one I want to merge.
You prepare yourself to come early.
I want to merge these two statuses together.
Okay.
Before the last day.
The rule is that yes, to merge.
Status and salary.
Yeah, no, status and status. You cannot. If you merge them, merging them will result in a loss.
Yes,
One will have to give way for the other. And normally it's the one on the right that goes off. The one on the left will retain. So I like the two. Once I highlight the two, I can use the merge,
Merge.
yes, the merge is there.
Under
Under alignment, look at it. It will merge and centralize. But there are other options for it. Merge center, merge across, merge cell, merge on them. So normally merge, it does do like this. And to give you warning, there's some value, the upper left is discarded. So I click on it, look at it. That removes the status true and left only status.
Merge center.
Yes, merge center. Now, I have done that now. That command I've done is in the memory. I can highlight this one. I have to do it line by line. Because if I say all of it now, it will remove everything and only remain one. So line by one, I now do it again.
One by one.
Yeah, one by one.
One line by one.
Yes, because it's sensitive, because you are losing data. It cannot, yes. So my center, okay. Normally, if it's something that you will not lose data, it will do. You can have the option of redo.
Okay.
Redo will just repeat the last command, but because it has to happen to do with data, it only give you one at a time.
So merge at center.
Yeah, merge at center.
Merge across.
Yes.
What of merge across?
Yes, you can do merge across. The same thing. But you merge across, we have to select. It has to be more than two cells. You are merging. So you can see one is taking over the other. Now, when you merge, and you notice that the upper ones you don't merge, they are still the same way. Only this one. But and again, another thing you have to notice is that you have joined two together.
Yes.
As I've joined two together, only one reference will be for the two. You can see it's only this one, O3, is standing for the two. Which is supposed to be P, the other one is supposed to be P. So it's not going to be OP, it's going to be O. That one is lost. You cannot. P, yes, P is no longer in existence. The only way to, yes, the only way to bring it is to, you can break it, you can unmerge. You see, I don't need to go to, I don't need to say unmerge cell. I can just right click it again. Right click it again to break it. But that one is gone. What is contained is gone. Yes. Look at let me go to pay now. I want to do pay. I see I click on it on the merge cell again. Except I undo everything. Yes, that's the only way. I go back and say, look at it. Undo has brought it back. But if I say I'm on merging, it's not going to bring it back. So undo, we reverse it to what it was originally. And Excel can undo for you the last thing you did before you close the account. If you close it and you want to undo, it's gone. So this is where we'll stop today, and I will post the assignment into the group. Practice make perfect. No, that question is simple. Create a personal budget, monthly budget that has income and expenses. The expenses is what I've broken. The expenses you have rent.
Okay, you send it to us.
This is it. I'll post it in this. This is the question. This is it. Okay, let me open the Word. This is it. The Excel. This is it now. See all these ones. You create
a personal monthly budget.
This is the first. The first one is this. This is it. Create a monthly budget net workbook.
It contains.
Yeah. See, this one they will go together. Create it, then transform the budget work into a professional financial report. Then it will contain. You enter monthly income, rent, feeding, transport, utilities, saving, miscellaneous expenses. Then apply this for your formatting. Currency symbol, heading, company colors. Company colors, simply any color you choose to design
What do you mean
it.
by company color?
Just your own color, your taste of color, your brand. You know, as a brand.
Okay,
No,
brand it.
Yes, you
That
brand it to your color.
Color, okay.
Those are companies. If you are giving the board, they present the board in that form. Borders, then conditional formatting. Do conditional. It's what you just did now. Do anyone you like. Do anyone you like. Yes. Yes. So you apply conditional formatting. Maybe the top 5 expenses you make. The top 5 expenses or top 10. So let me just give you a clue. A clue is that the first one, they say enter monthly income. That is your income. The other ones are expenses. So I know that when you get your income, these other ones will take it away. So they should be put under your what you spend should be under each expenditure. Then you give a total of those of each one. All these ones will be a heading on their own, rent on their own, feeding on his own, transportation on your
monthly basis.
Just do 1 month. Just do 1 month, and how you spend those.
No, now rent can not. Rent
And
is just
enter some places they pay weekly.
Monthly.
Weekly, yes, they pay weekly rent.
I think that's
For years, you pay weekly.
Okay.
So years is
So
weekly.
it can, in that month,
Yes.
it can fall into the week you paid it.
Yes, the week you
Maybe
pay, don't put
second
it.
week.
Yes, put it there. May not be if it's rent, pay it for 1 month. Just put it in one place. Then feeding. If it's every day you feed,
Not yearly now.
Yeah.
1 month,
just 1 month.
Okay.
1 month. So put it. We want to do 1 month because we are saying do 1 year, you will not finish the assignment. So just do 1 month. As it is transport, how you spend transport every day, or the day you spend. Then utilities. I don't know what is under utilities. Just put it there. You don't want to create a fictional, but to make it as if it's real, and apply all the formatting, currency symbols, headings, the company colors, borders, and conditional formatting. It's just for us to achieve what we did here, what we did in this place. Something like this, similar like this. Achieve something like this, then format it. Make sure that we can see, read the zeros as it is. So as it is, the cue is that the headings, all the expenses will have their own headings. All the headings will have their own. So the income and anything that is not there, that is missing, put it there. For example, the totals for each of those expenses. So that is where we'll stop for today. Yeah? Okay. Create a personal monthly budget tracker. Your book. It will contain income, expenses, rent, feeding, utility savings, miscellaneous expenses. Then have you got it yet? Okay. You see the same thing. So by tomorrow, I think I'll be able to drop the video and send you the link. You want to rewatch it? Up, go up. It's a personal monthly budget tracker. It will contain the following: income, expenses. Expenses are expenses are all of this. Expenses are all of this. All this one is. They are all expenses: rent, feeding, transportation, utilities, savings. You know, savings is like you are spending it out of that income, or later on you can get it back. So miscellaneous expenses, when we give out the total. So if at the end of the month nothing is left, then we will know.
Nothing is left. You know the best thing is
But this thing, some people deliberately save. Deliberately save. And keep something. I should put, you want to go down? Okay. Then enter a sample. So enter a sample data. That is, you have to fill it up with data you create. Enter sample data and format by applying the following: currency, symbols, headings, company colors, borders, conditional format. So any question, any question?
Ask question.
Because after today, we are going to start dealing with the formulas now. We're going to start dealing with the formulas. I think we did some today. There are other formulas like average, mean, max, count, round function. Then if too. We did if today. We did if. There's also, I don't think we have a problem with if anymore. Yes, so we've done it. I said next step if and next step if conditional formatting. Yeah? You want to go up? Okay. Conditional borders and conditional format. So make it professional, make it colorful, because the whole point is we want to make our data look beautiful. So when the client sees the beauty of your presentation, wow, that alone scores points. Because in data analysis, the beauty of your data, even if you are good, you analyze your data very well, everything is good, but you don't present it very well, it doesn't score well. Because in data analysis, they score your presentation. They score your presentation, and it goes a long way to say you are professional. Yes.
Said it was done.
Yes, I will.
Thank you, lecturer. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, down. Okay. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for your time. Thank you for paying attention and for being good students.
Thank you.
Oh, sure.
For being a thorough teacher.
I know Carlo.
Maybe you need to call us.
It's raining now. Thank you.
Welcome, sir. So we'll call it to a day, and I'll stop recording now so that I can start editing. So till next Tuesday.
Thank you.